Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 Active that we've just taken in part exchange. So this car has full service history with Howard's, features 15-inch alloy wheels, a 7-inch touchscreen that has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. And on top of this there's air conditioning and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's just £20 a year to tax. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 82 horsepower. It's done less than 31,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.